good candidate for our position? I said, well, first of all, I said, I'm driving, but I know I can't call you back, so I'll take the interview. I said, well, I'm a people person. I love solving problems. I love meeting people. Get the fuck out of the way, Grandma! I'm trying to make me delay. Don't make me kick your ass! And I have leadership skills? They said, well, thank you, Dickie Bill. We'll call you back. Oh, man. And they did call me back. They gave me the job. They made me a manager. Because I send mixed signals. Mixed. Oh, that is my time. Thank you.